السلام عليكم أنا جواي كوتش محمد ما أنت وحن سمينا يا legs today's legs دواي لغاها ما سمين إنكو دواي almost هل سنة عمل because of مركي Achilles كنا بركي جاري لح بلود عن قاطي off and هذانا وحكسو ركسدي since injury قد عايت تدوا بلود so basically almost هل سنة لغاها سيف عن exercise في عن ما سمينين so this is gonna be one of the first times هذا لغيه عن سمين دونه إن شاء الله marka workout kan soo duubaya marka hore stretch aan bilaaba lugaha si loo sameeyo before you do the exercise ka workout ka ka bacdina exercise ki lugaha ayaan soo duubaya marka halaga faa'iideyso exercise waxa way advance dadka badana ma haystaan equipmentiga machiinadan haysto so bad you know lakiis waxay tusay sida oo lugaha isku la shaqeeyaan ajirka xaqiisa hore ajirka xaqiisa dambe xaga you know oo dambe barida ama glutes ka loo yaqaano iyo calfska hadda boqol ma sameyn karo saan sheegay waliba lugta oo bidixda ma sameyn kariyaan laakiin se isku dayna sameeyo so daawasho waan insha Allah okay hadda waxaan ku bilaabayaa leg adductors already was clearly I'm just gonna do 2 warm-up sets ayaa sameynaya well warm-up set ki waan I'm just gonna do 2 working sets bande taasan ku xijinaya la dhaho abduction
it's different I got a different type of it's different she got a different type of it's different so I'ma spend it on her it's different Only time I deal with tellers, I'm running it up like I live in the bank. You normally do what you can, I do what I want, so do what I say. The new crib came with a pool. I'm out of town, I'm out of state. I just bought a new truck, that's how I do everything. I got a body like glow, like Toronto. She got her own bag in the condo. So I just roll a dice, that's a god flow up in the pack. My eyes, always money on his head.
All right, last one for this one, and then we're gonna start our actual leg workout. Let's go.
Got so many rings like Magic Johnson. Yeah, I know. It's different. I got a different type of. It's different. She got a different.
All right. We're gonna start the actual leg workout. All right. marka waxaan sameynayaa leg sida leg curl laba set ayaan sameynayaa. Actually, miisaanka too low waaye inaan kordhiyo waa xoogaa miisaanka. All right, let's go.
Don't do broke girls no favors. She don't got no money or no paper. Little brody, I'm different. I like green hunters, but the blue ones feeling so fresh. They call me a goat, so I pull up in a land, big dog, wearing Ricky to a vet.
So 10 already waxaan sameeyay few exercises oo warm-up set. Waxay tusayaa laba ma sameynayo, but I'm just showing you guys only 2 working sets. But that doesn't mean I'm probably doing 5-6 sets, but most of them were lightweight iyo miisaan yar. Labada ugu dambaysa ayaa xisaabi. I count only these 2. Intii hore waa just to get me to the miisaanka badan. So hadda this is the last one. Inshallah. Aan ka dhamaanay. Let's go.
I'm in New York like I play for the Jets. If you know, then you know. Get money and die for respect. Look, big dog double R, I'ma slide in the race. Put money on his head, now his body in the lake.
Oof, it's actually pretty heavy. No excuses. Let's go.
It's different. I got a different type of. It's different. She got a different type of. It's different. So I'ma spend it on her. It's different. Only time I deal with tellers, I'm running it up like I live in the bank.
All right, this is still warm-up set waaye. Haddaan ku daraya miisaanka. This is gonna be the real sets. Okay, hadda miisaanka la badiyo waaye. It's time to go a little bit higher. 2 plates iyo baraan dhigaya. Hadda marka waxaan sameynayaa 10 reps for each set. At least 3 set aan sameynayaa. Midkiiba 10 yahay. All right, let's go. All right, 10 reps. I'm gonna add 1 more plate for 10 reps again. go. This is a good machine. I really like it. markaa riixid bas markaa ugu soo riixaya. So that's why unlock it. tartiib u soo celi. See that? Celi markaba.
Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, I've been wanting this forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Hey. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era.
All right. I'm gonna add more weight.
Get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Work with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on it and next. Whip this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Yeah. Oh shoot, they don't let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turn the field into a.
All right, I'm gonna add more weight. 445s. I'll try, inshallah. Saddexina helo.
We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war, every exhibition, every extra mission, every enemy listening. Get off my d***, I got bad intentions. Make it right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I show you the ropes. Peace in my town, I can show you the coast. Up in the shots if they wanted to smoke. If you know, then you know. Suited up, my whole team do the same. Don't you forget who created the game. Ready for war, I was born with grenades.
Toban inaan sameeyaan rabay, laakiinse sidii since I'm doing 545s, sideedaan sameeyay si aan xoogaa u dhigto maaragtay energy-ga and then increase one more blade. All right, let's go. We can add one more blade now. Let's go. 545s. Toban isku daynaan sameey inshallah. Let's go.
The trenches where soldiers are made. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever.
Inta ka badan casnimo waaye. So this is good for this workout. We're gonna go to the next machine. Let's go. longevity-ga dhakhaatiirtu waxay ku leeyihiin qofka markuu duqoobo qofka oo thigh-giisa ama murqihiisa cajirka hore uu fiican yahay maskaxdiisana hadhow way ka fiicnaanaysaa sababtoo ah murqaha mataqaanaa oo thigh-ga ayaa markii oo activation-ka sameeyaan maskaxdii u sii gudbinayaan marka subxaanallah wuxuu leeyahay xataa lugahaaga dhisan markaa duqoobid waxay ka caawinayaan not only jirkaaga but also mentally. So it's a good reminder as we age, xoog inaanu saarno not only physically but mentally ba oo exercise-ka aanu sameyno. All right, let's go. Next one. Suga long longevity iyo waxaan u sharaxayaa research-ka laga sheegay leg exercise-ka iyo mataqaanaa iyo cognitive markii la duqoobo sidaas la shaqeeyaan. Okay, so halkana waxaa dhaheen leg exercise seems to have an outsized effect on brain function compared to other body parts, and there's a real science behind it. MashaAllah. All right, let's go. One more set up to this one. Last one. Miisaanka ayaan u nasanayaa. Marka the takeaway waxa waaye compound leg movements like squats, deadlift, lunges done a few times a week combined with some cardio like walking. Cycling seems to give the biggest cognitive payoff more than isolated upper body workout. So the takeaway is those who like upper body, which is good, and I do like 3 times, 4 times a week. But longevity, markaa duqowno, lugaha ayaa ka muhiimsan. Both markay timaado mobility, socodkii, iyo also markay timaado xaggii maskaxda iyo brainkii, because saan sheegay lugaha oo murqaha lugaha ka yaala dadku waxay ka caawiyaan markay weynaadaan maskaxdii. So exercise for your body and your brain as well. Okay, this is the last set. Bismillah. I just finished the working out. Hadda waxaan sameynaya waxa loo stretching muhiim waaye badanaa waa scrolleeyaa before workout-ka I do waxa la dhahaa warm up scrolleyntii laakiin after the gym stretching waaye boqolaal si ayaa loo stretch gareeyaa baa kuwa muhiimka intuu saay camal saana leeda lugta qabsanaysaa lugta kala qabsanaysaa dadka ciyaartooyda camal ama soccer-ka ciyaari jiray way fahmi karaan muhiimadda ama stretching-ka ay tahay markaad muruqi ka shaqaysid you put a lot of dig blood work into the joint-igi marka saan dhahayd ma taqaana muruqihii ayaa kala bixinaysaa it has a lot of benefits it helps you with flexibility mobility iyo performance-ki gym-ka xataa ma taqaana ayay ka caawinaysaa so there's more ways to stretch but I'm just going to keep it simple I'm just going to keep it basic sidan aad samayn kartaa kanna muhiim waaye form horor baa la dhahaa qofkii haysta muhiim waaye inuu ku sameeyo oo ku stretch gareeyo si fiican loo samayn karaa badanaa waxaan sameeyaa camal markaan bilaabayo camal waa ku kor fariistaa and you see just stretching aad samaynaysaa and hadduu guriga kuu yaalo that's even better or you can do your own comfort zone adigoo gurigaaga joogtid on your own base inventay so kan muhiim waaye qofkii haystana uma baahna waxaaba ka badanba ma taqaana intaan hadda idin tusay as a beginner baa dadka advanced-ka ma taqaana u baahan stretch-ka kanay soo gadan karaan one way xataa dhabarka xataa lower back dadkii ma taqaana lower back xanuunayo kan waxaan ku jeclay ma jeedin it helps you with lower back stretching so duuduub stretchka muhiim waaye weliba after exercise-ka muhiim waaye marka insha allah next time isku day inaa stretch garaysiin so that's it intan workout-kii ku egyahay like share subscribe all the good stuff waa taqaaniin cajalad badan idiin soo wadaa barnaamijkii oo jir dhisan ha la socdo asalaamu calaykum